neglected and underutilized crops and species, we have seen that there has been a bit of a loss of knowledge, of traditional knowledge, and we have to revive this to get this back to the forefront. We have identified that as a very interesting and promising topic. We have collected and we are still collecting knowledge on these NUS crops, why they are important and what can be their potential benefits for a number of challenges. So for food security, for improving health and nutrition, because many of these species are very nutrient rich, have very positive properties for health, but they can also be a source of additional income for farmers, but they also have a lot of positive environmental characteristics. They can be used in crop rotation or crop diversification. They can enrich soil nutrients, soil properties. This is our main interest, to collect the best available evidence, condensate, extract the key knowledge, and put it at disposal of anyone that needs it. And also, in our case, we are mainly informing the European Commission policies, but then our knowledge hub is open to everyone. All the products we elaborate or we collect are easily accessible from this platform.